Welcome to the K&I Car Show. This is Kevin Passman. I'm Isaac Eubank, and this is where we talk about cars. You know, I don't know crap about cars. He claims to know, something. So, what are you gonna teach me about today?
Well, I don't have to know a lot to know more than you, but we're talking about a 55 Crown Victoria. It's somewhat of a restomod.
55 Crown Victoria restomod.
Mm-hmm.
Now, is this the Batmobile?
No, there's no Batmobile, there's no jet engine, there's no freaks in costumes in the car.
Alright.
Maybe during Mardi Gras.
I mean, it looks pretty slick. It's got the fins though, like the original Batmobile. You remember fucking what's his name?
Adam West?
Adam West, man. I could have sworn he was in this car.
Oh man, this is 10 years before.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is maybe it inspired the Batmobile a little bit, but it's really just kind of a mid-50s luxury kind of Ford. It's like the top of the line Crown Victoria. You can see it actually has an actual crown on the top of it.
Really?
The original Crown had a crown, see, on the inside and the outside.
Oh wow.
So that's why they called it the Crown.
Crown.
Yeah.
Crown Victoria. Now, is this car? So it's a luxury car. So this car is made for just like cruising and like waving to the peasants, or what?
Yeah, it was kind of it's an upgraded version of their basic sedan. Made it a little more extra trim and stuff like that, but the car itself, the basic drivetrain, is all the same as the regular Ford. But this one actually is upgraded with a more modern 80s Mustang 302.
Oh wow!
5.0.
So you guys put a 5.0 engine in this bucket-looking fucking car, in hopes to do what, man? It doesn't look like it can corner. You know what I mean?
It can't. But we upgraded the brakes to the front disc brakes, which helps it for stopping. It's just makes it more roadworthy. The rear end is actually from late 1970s Ford Granada, which seems it's old now. It's over 40 years old, but it was built more for highway cruising. You can cruise at 65, 70 miles
an hour. So
it's
a catfishing car. You like to roll up, you want people to think that you're in a grandpa mobile, and then you just freaking hit the gas and just burn them?
No, it's not like that. It's upgraded for highway cruising. The original car was built to cruise at about 50 miles an hour. So you hit 65 on the freeway, and it sounds like the thing is going to blow up, So it's just the stuff we put in it is more geared for highway driving.
Nice. Was all that stuff original on the outside?
Yeah, that's all original trim, original wheels, hubcaps. The thing that was added on the back is what they call a Continental kit. But this was an option in 1955. This was actually owned by my pops for a while, and for some reason he had somebody airbrush a picture of the car on the car, which I don't understand.
I don't understand either. That's pretty.
You have the real thing right in front of you. Why would you need a depiction of it?
That's what I'm saying. That seems pretty like Cholo-esque. I see a lot of that, out in Cali. When you see the lowrider shows and stuff like that, which is cool. I mean, if that's your thing, I love a good lowrider, man. But this car doesn't look like a lowrider, eh?
And if you get up on it really closely, you can actually see that he actually traded it off recently for a Harley Davidson Road King.
Oh wow!
And I was like, why would you do that, man? This car's worth like 25 grand. And then I got to looking at it, and it actually has some a little bit of surface rust from the old paint job and stuff like that. Apparently, the guy that owned it before him owned a lawnmower shop, and he used to sharpen his lawnmower blades near the car.
Oh man!
Which just put little bits of metal all over the car, which makes it cool and kind of rat rodish now.
Yeah.
But you can see, and I don't know if he cleaned the car off before he had it repainted, but the rust is all coming out of it.
Oh wow!
But it actually looks cool as shit, and
Is that a common thing amongst car collectors? Like you'll buy something and you'll you'll notice, like, you know, maybe months later, like rust coming up in spots that you didn't initially see when you inspected it.
You always notice something later on. There's always something you miss, man. You get to know your car. But, you know, stories about this car. This car was actually in a movie with Denzel Washington.
Really?
A couple of years ago. I don't know what the movie was.
This car,
it's been in a few movies.
Or this type of car.
This specific car was somewhere in the background or something like that. So it was also in another movie called The Paperboy, which was Matthew McConaughey and Nicole Kidman, and it was a big budget movie that really flopped. But anyway, we got paid.
So Matthew McConaughey and Denzel Washington have sweated in this car, and your dad just traded it for a Harley. He could have put that shit on eBay and fucking, you know, gotten like 500 grand for it. Well, shit, man. I guess it's a cool looking car, you know, if you're into the old man look. Sorry to keep saying that it's an old man car, man, but you know, I want to see something with some muscle behind it, you know, and some.
It's got a 5.0 Mustang.
Yeah, I know, man, but I like shit that looks tough, you know. I mean, that's my thing. See, I'm ignorant. So, you know, simple things please simple people. You know, you put a Nova in front of me, it looks scary, I get excited. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, but no, the fins are fucking cool, man. Shit, man. Stories are fucking cool. I wish I had a car that Denzel and fucking Matthew McConaughey sweated in. You know, I'd be all gay for that shit. But, yeah. Anyways, man.
Are we still recording? Did it click?
I think so. I heard it click. So, just want to say, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe. All right, subscribe. We need that. Tell a friend. Peace.